guys, Emma from Luxe here, and today I'm coming at you with a very different video. Rather than makeup, today we're going to be talking about hair. I have just recently dyed mine, which may be a problem because I'm going to be talking about hair extensions in particular. Anyway, as many of you know, I am terrible at hair, absolutely terrible, and I kind of suck at putting in extensions as well. But I wanted to do a little video on how I put my extensions in, what they look like, the colour ranges, etc. Just to give you a little insight in how to put them in. It's easier than it seems, honestly. The first time I did struggle, got my sister to help, then we figured it out, and then I could do it on my own. So I thought I would show you all just a little bit of that so you can see. So, I usually buy my hair extensions from Lullabellz because I really like the quality, the range, the styles, everything. I have worn one of these before, recently. I wore this one, which is the Pony 18 Mini Grande in shade 4 dark brown. So when I bought this, my hair was dark brown, and I think it's going to be okay. I think it's going to be okay. This I have worn once before. It's my favourite. It's a really cute little style. I'll pop a picture here maybe so you can see what it looks like on the model. She's blonde, so obviously it doesn't match my hair colour, but you get the gist of the style. The next one I have is the Pony 26-inch Hollywood Wave, and again in shade 4 dark brown. Haven't actually tried this one yet. I might try this one first. It is obviously a lot longer, but I'm gonna give it a go, show you how I put them in. I would recommend, if you're gonna follow along to this, to have a couple of brushes. This one to put your hair into a ponytail. You need some bobbles, some grips, and some hairspray. And you'll also need a brush with a parting brush with a little comb on the end, and to brush those hairs up if you want to spray them. If you do like it a little bit more relaxed, then obviously you won't need that, but that is just what I use to give you an idea. So I'm gonna start with the Hollywood Wave. It's the longer one, and this actually made me want to buy it in general because I saw it on a few different influencers and it looked really cute, so I thought I would give it a little go. I'm used to wearing clip-in extensions, just straight or slightly wavy. Never have tried ponytails, so I was obviously a bit confused, but once you figure it out, it's easy. So they come in obviously netting to protect the hair. I would also recommend, if you plan on wearing hair extensions a lot or getting a use out of them, to buy a hair extension brush. Funny enough, I don't have one here with me. It's at my other house. But it's basically a brush with sort of fine metal prongs, and it's designed not to pull the hair too much because obviously you're not really supposed to brush these with a normal brush. So if you do have to brush it and you don't have anything like me, I would suggest either really lightly brush it with a normal brush or just use your fingers to comb through and try and neaten up as best as you can. But obviously if you want to extend the life, then definitely go for the actual hair extension brush. So this is what it looks like out of the netting. I've took it out literally once and I've managed to kind of ruin it slightly. So as you can see, it's dark brown, but it has got a little hint of a more chocolatey colour underneath. So if your hair is darker, you can actually get a colour wheel from Lullabellz or message one of their customer service team with a picture of your hair in like sunlight and they'll match it for you flawlessly. So it comes like this. There's a little bit on the end which acts as the wraparound bobble ponytail, and then if you open it, it's all velcroed. It looks like this, and you've got a little comb that digs onto the top of your head to kind of position it, then you literally wrap it around the bubble. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair up in a ponytail. My hair is quite long, but it is quite thin, hence why I like extensions. But this should be fine to have my hair in a normal ponytail because my hair is not quite 26 inches long. So with the other one I'm going to show you, I'll probably put my hair half up, half down, like a half ponytail rather, sorry, because if that one is a bit shorter, my hair does poke at the end slightly, but if you do have really short hair, just a normal ponytail is good. I'm going to leave out the two front bits of my fringe. I'm, again, not very good at styling these, but I will towards the end, but I just like to leave them out. You can do a super slick back ponytail, or you can just, you know, have your fringe out however you like it. I'm going to keep mine like this for both styles, just because that's how I prefer my hair up. And also if you have a big forehead like me, it works very well. So just put your hair up as you normally would. I would not say put it too high, because then when the ponytail goes on, it literally looks like you've got like a horn on the back of your head, but you don't want it too low either. So, but obviously again, it's trial and error, so do it, and if it looks stupid, take it out and do it again. So just put it up into a ponytail as you normally would. You can neaten it up a little bit later if you want to put your fringe back. You can also slick those bits back later, but you know, just get your hair up. I think this is about a good place for the ponytail. So it's not going to be super high, but it's not going to be too low either. Because it is quite long, you probably do want it that little bit higher. Otherwise, you might find it kind of pulls a little bit, at least I did anyway. So once you have generally what you want, tie it up. The tighter it is, the better, obviously, because it will pull your hair a little bit. So as long as your hair stays in. So this is what my hair looks like in a ponytail. So next, I am going to just give it a run through my fingers again. And then the clip I mentioned earlier, I'm just going to put this behind, and I'm going to dig the clip right in front of the bobble I have made to keep the place. As far back as you possibly can. And then you're going to want to take the Velcro and then literally just wrap this around the whole bobble, ending with this little side bit of hair, because that wraps around after as like a makeshift bubble, which is a real cute look. You might need to partition it from the rest of the hair. So just make yourself as tight as you possibly can, because it's going to feel more secure that way. And then don't worry if this takes you a few tries, it did me too. And then just wrap it around as the bubble. I literally love how that looks, super cute. And then I'm going to go in with a grip, and I'm just going to secure that slightly underneath. Just to keep it nice and in place. You might find it easier to get your sister or someone, partner, mum, whoever, to help you with this. So this is it in. Super long. Really cute. Obviously you can wear it up a little bit higher so it sits more like this. Whichever you prefer. You can slick your hair back, which again, very cute. Then you can style these properly. I'm just going to leave mine real half-hearted. No, I do just like a bit of hair to frame my face. So yeah, it's really cute. It does feel quite secure, but give it a few wraparounds till you make sure that it is in place and it feels best for you. I'll just show you my outfit. It's literally just black jeans, a belt, and like a baggy crop top. And it just kind of dresses up any outfit. Just makes you look a bit more, that you've made more of an effort. So I love this because it's obviously a style, it already comes waved, really pretty, looks super glossy. The only thing you might have is the bits at the end when if you've brushed it through, they come out. Just try and pull those out if you can, as gently as possible, but I know that's not always possible. I look like I've spent hours on my hair, and you've seen I put it in real quick. Super cute, could be worn with any outfit. I think it'll be really nice with a blazer dress and heels personally, when you are able to go out again. So again, next piece, I'm going to put my hair up again, make sure it's super secure. And I think my hair might be just a little bit too long. I'm going to put it, I did try a bun, but I think it personally, I think it makes the harder to wrap around the Velcro bit when it's a little bit bulkier. So I'm just gonna put this on. So I'm gonna keep mine like this. I used to wear my hair like this all the time when I was like 13. So it's still a ponytail, I'm gonna be able to wrap it around and it should still hide pretty well. So it's a bit shorter and it's straight, but it flicks at the end. Looks really, really cute. Obviously these are This hair is synthetic, so you can only heat it up to a certain degree. Obviously that's why it's the price it is, because it's synthetic. If you take care of it, you can probably get probably a year's worth out of it maybe. Depends on how often you wear it and how well you take care of it. So again, you've got that little grip, and I'm going to put that right to the top in front of where the bobble is. And then again, same thing. It might be a bit tricky because I've got like a not so straightforward ponytail, so I've just got to make sure that wraps around that whole piece. And just wrap around as tight as you possibly can. Again, you might have to do it a few times till you kind of get the grip, the hang of it. Or just do it messy and just trust you've done it well. That's what I do sometimes. Again, secure with a couple of grips. And just neaten up a little bit. And you've got a really cute, it says 90s, but I feel like this is a super 60s, 70s type hairstyle, where it flicks at the ends, and I just think it looks real cute. You can again wear your hair slicked back. I think also when you do it nice, that looks real cute too. But yeah, just another cute style, makes it look as if you've made a lot of effort and all you've done is literally shove this in your hair. But it's a very good match for my hair. Just a little video on how I like to wear my hair extensions. I hope you find it helpful. I hope you may have found some inspiration for some hairstyles. Kind of changes up your look a little bit, a little something extra, and it's super easy to do. Even for someone like me who cannot do hair to save their lives, you literally just can't really go wrong. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was a nice little something different for you. If you would like more videos like this, not so centred around makeup, please leave a comment and let us know, and we'll try our best to do that for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!